Hi, this is Matt with Vespa Portland, and I'm here to talk with you about the vintage parts that we carry, or at least a small assortment of them. We do have a lot of stuff for the vintage Vespa series. We have brake shoes, rear brake on a Stella or a P series, or even older 10-inch wheels for the Vespa line. We have batteries that would fit most of the P series, Vespa P125, P150, P200Es. We also can get other batteries for other bikes such as the Rally 200 or older bikes. Teflon coated clutch cables for better movement through the clutch housing, which we can also get entire housing and cable setup if you're looking to refurbish the entire cable system. Motul 710, great for the system still running an injector. It is a full synthetic ester-based oil. Probably the best you can get for a bike that is still running on the injector system. If you have a setup that is running on premix, the Motul 800 is a great one to use as well. The 800, too heavy for the injector, so it can only work on a premix bike, but really good even if it's stock or if it is kitted out. We carry rims in case you have an accident. Rims, sometimes, you know, they rust, or you might have an accident, hit a curb or something, dent a rim. We have rims, replacement rims for 10-inch bikes. We can get 8-inch as well. There are other options we can get. We can get, you can get them in black or white or other colors. We carry the standard silver, but we can order a variety of other types. Center stand boots always wear out. They don't seem to make them any better than this. They make metal ones, but the metal ones can smash your floorboards and dent that. So the rubber ones, easy to replace. Kickstart lever, very important to make sure that the kickstart lever is always tightened down. Otherwise, the splines can strip out when you kick a little bit too hard on that. These are made to, they come with the rubber foot, they come with a bolt, and I myself have stripped out a spline before, and it's like, got to replace that lever. We carry these on hand in case you have, in case it gets loose and you didn't notice that, and you strip it out. We got those ready to go. Air bellows. These are actual Piaggio air bellows for the carb airbox over into the frame. These tend to, wear out over time, start to crack, the rubber breaks. This, just need to pop it on underneath. The Piaggio ones feel a little bit thicker than some of the Indian repops that I've seen over the years. So I think these ones actually are a better system OEM part. So this is just a small display of what that we have on hand. We can get all sorts of other types for you. We can get different rims, we can get different cables, we can get performance brake pads, different performance or like vintage style kickstart levers. We have a lot of access to a lot of other different parts. These are just the ones that we have on hand. We don't work on the vintage here, but a lot of this stuff, a lot of the people with the vintage are, working on stuff at home anyways. So this is the stuff that you can come by, you need a cable, you need a rim, you need oil. We've got all the stuff here ready to go. This is Matt at Vespa Portland. Till next time.